Hello mga my loves! Good morning! Now I will tour you in my small mini garden. First you enter here and then I plant a small snake plant here down. And then here the lemon tree. I plant the lemon tree also and then together with that. And then smaller one also. And then I have also the pakamat. Ano ba yun? Sweet potato here. And then sweet potato that side. And then here you go, the lemongrass. And then now my kangkong is I already pick up because I need to replant again. And then this is my reusable, the kitchen wasted. I just put it here. And then here together with my lemon. Again, I plant also with aloe vera, snake plant. And my chili. And here the lemon itself. And then I have also planted capsicum. See, capsicum, they have already flower. Soon they will give me a vegetable. And then this is the orange. This tree is orange, but I don't know when. Almost already 2 years this, but not yet fruits giving. And then I have a small tiny mango. Here, this is the mango. And then there's also the capsicum. Capsicum. And here, this is a bok choy. Recently, my husband planted. And then this is my pumpkin. And here, this is the guyabano. Recently, we bought guyabano. Oh my God, very mahal this guyabano. And then here you go, the chili. You know already Nepal's chili is life here. And then my alugbati. Here my alugbati. And then still the chili itself also. Here the capsicum, chili. And then my guava tree. My guava tree is not yet. Hopefully soon. One time already we already harvest. Now I have the pumpkin. Here the pumpkin. I think soon we need to harvest for this one. I think 1 week we will get it, the pumpkin. And here the guava and the pumpkin itself. You saw the pumpkin? Very yummy. And oh my God, I saw the butterfly. This is my mini garden tour. Very small, but very too much the vegetable and fruit I plant. See that lemon tree is very tiny, buyag. And then here you go, my small garden mini tour. Thank you for watching mga my loves. Be kind. Love each other. Thank you so much. God bless. Love you all.